Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will talk about Polypex Skin Ointment, what it is, its correct usage, its benefits, and finally its possible side effects. This ointment is manufactured by the multinational company GlaxoSmithKline. If we talk about its price, you can easily buy it from any medical store for around 223 Pakistani rupees. However, with time the price may increase. Tell me in the comments what the current price is in your area. Friends, Polypex Skin Ointment is used to treat skin infections. If you have cuts or wounds on your skin, especially women who work in the kitchen and often get small cuts, this ointment helps in healing those wounds. It is also used for deep cuts, stitches, or severe burns, such as after an accident, to help them heal faster. Another special feature of this ointment is that you can also use it on animal wounds. For example, if a cat or any other animal gets a small cut or scratch, you can apply this ointment to their wound as well. But one important thing to remember is to make sure the animal does not lick the ointment, because it is clearly written on the packaging that this medicine is for external use only. Talk about the correct method of application. Apply a thin layer of the ointment on the affected area where you have a cut or stitches. If you want to use it on your face, only apply it directly on the wound itself, not on the surrounding skin. This will help the wound heal faster. Now about the precautions. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should not use this ointment because it contains a formula that can be absorbed into the skin and may be harmful during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Apart from this precaution, Polypex is generally a very effective ointment. Finally, let's discuss the possible side effects. In rare cases, you may experience burning, itching, redness, swelling, or small rashes or allergy on the skin. These side effects are very uncommon, but it is always best to consult your doctor before using this ointment. Do not use it on your own without medical advice.